How to install pip in Python 3.13.7. To lead off, I've already done a video of how to download Python directly from the official website. I'll link said video down below. If you downloaded a certain version of Python directly from the website, you should already have pip installed. Going forward, we'll presume for whatever reason that you didn't do it that way, or that it somehow failed. Okay, first navigate to this link that I'll link to in the description. Open up your command prompt. Most of this will be done there. I'm on Windows, but the process is similar on Mac and Linux. In your command line, type py space -m ensure pip --upgrade. If that still didn't work, there's one more thing we can try. Back on the website, you'll see this script called getpip.py. Right-click on it and choose Save Link As. Then, just save. Now, go back to your command line and navigate to the Downloads directory. In that directory, simply type out the script's name, getpip.py, then hit enter. You may or may not get this yellow error message. If you're still getting the pip is not recognized error, you'll want to do this one last step. Copy the directory name from the error message. Type path in your Windows search bar and open up the Edit System Environment Variables control panel. Click on Environment Variables. On System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. Click New and paste in what you copied from the command line. Then hit OK 3 times on the different windows. Close and reopen your command prompt, and you should now be able to use pip. If it's still not working, then I've run out of things to recommend. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.